Well, welcome back to my channel. Alright, what I've made here, it looks simple enough. It's the bracket for the radiator, and I'll show you in a minute and how it attaches and how it looks installed. After some ideas from Russell and my other friend Gene, come to the conclusion, and this is what we did. So hold on. Alright, that's the radiator attached to the bracket I made. It's a 4-core radiator. I got a deal on it, so that's what we're using. Well, that's what the radiator looks like installed. Still a little bit more work to do, but it's there. Now imagine doing the hoses and stuff. And we got clearance here, and you got to remember the front end flips. So as far as checking the radiator fluid or whatever, it's not that big of a deal with the front end down. So the front end's going to flip up, and it'll give access to that. Now we got to do the water pump, attach it. I just got it sitting on there basically, and for clearance issues, and hook up the electric pulley system.